behalf of the committee that put this week of events together, thank you for being here. Over here we're showing Pink Floyd's concert they performed it just after the wall collapsed in 1990. Behind us is graffiti that appeared on the wall, taken by Mary Beth Stein, faculty member in German languages and literatures. And at 6:30 we're going to be showing a documentary on the 55 hours when the wall collapsed up on the second floor of Galma. But before we do all of that, before we cut the cake, we are going to hear from President Ronald Reagan, who in 1987 delivered an address at the Brandenburg Gate. And we're going to hear excerpts from it now. Thank you.
Unfortunately, I can't speak with a mask on. Just keep it in mind as I go through the remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, 24 years ago, President John F. Kennedy visited Berlin, speaking to the people of Berlin. And today I, myself, make my second visit to the city. To those listening throughout Eastern Europe, a special word. Although I cannot be with you, I address my remarks to you just as surely as to those standing here before me. For I join you, as I join your fellow countrymen in the West, in this firm, this unalterable belief, es gibt nur ein Berlin, there is only one Berlin. President von Weizsäcker has said, the German question is open as long as the Brandenburg Gate is closed. Today, I say, as long as the gate is closed, as long as the scar of this wall is permitted to stand, it is not the German question alone that remains open, but the question of freedom for all mankind. Yet, I do not come here to lament, for I find in Berlin a message of hope. Even in the shadow of this wall, a message of triumph. I invite Mr. Gorbachev, let us work together to bring the eastern and western parts of the city closer together, so that all the inhabitants of Berlin can enjoy the benefits that come with life and living in one of the great cities of the world. As I looked out a moment ago from the Reichstag, that embodiment of German unity, I noticed words crudely spray-painted upon the wall, perhaps by a young Berliner. This wall will fall. Beliefs become reality. Yes, across Europe, this wall will fall, for it cannot withstand faith. It cannot withstand truth. This wall cannot withstand freedom. We welcome change and openness, for we believe that freedom and security go together, that the advance of human liberty can only strengthen the cause of world peace. There is one sign the Soviets can make that would be unmistakable, that would advance dramatically the cause of world peace. General Secretary Gorbachev, if you seek peace, if you seek prosperity for the Soviet Union and Eastern Europe, if you seek liberalization, come here to this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, now if you'd like to join us, President Reagan, we'll cut the wall. Yes.